Yo, ding-a-ling, ding-dang, dong, motherfucking snowstorm has come. I'm in my car, and I'm driving. And it's, they've upped it now. Instead of the nice 2 to 4 like they said we were going to get. Ha! Now they're saying fucking, like 9 to 12. Ha! I love it. I'm driving in my car. I hope I don't wreck my car. Alright, there we go. Now I can see where I'm going. And I'm going to the 7-day store because I need to go get some beer. So I'm like risking my life to go get the beer. I don't think I'm going to go down that hill. Oh, fuck me. Where's the goddamn curb at? So I don't run over the motherfucking curb. Okay. I'm going to try and turn my car around. Here we go. Oh, snow's crunching. Oh, shit. Hello. I'm doing okay, though. Car does fine in the snow. It does really bad in the ice, though. And they've been plowing, so it's not that bad. But, I just hope nobody wants to run into me, because that would be very bad. Okay, that's enough for now. I'm going to go take some pictures. Alright, here we go! In the Eclipse! Motherfucking ice skate in Quantico. Here we go! It's snowing outside! I love it. Let me roll down the window. What we got going on here? We got the motherfucking barracks going on. Oh yeah. That is a brand new barracks. That's where all your officers stay when they go to school, you know. Yeah. And here we go, motherfucking driving. And oh my god, I'm fucking getting crazy in the car.